Hello everyone, I am from Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and today we are going to start grammar lesson number 6. So all of you students open grammar textbook. Okay. Now last time as we studied what are the naming words? Yes children, can you tell me what are the naming words? Yes, naming words are the name of a person, place, thing and animal. Isn't it? Yes, we have seen this. Now children tell me, okay, tell me what is this? Yes, this is animal. Okay. Yes. Then what is this? This is bird. Good. Now tell me what is this? This is fruit. Yes. Then what is this? Yes, this is apple. Okay. Now you know that these are fruits. This is apple, this is mango, then this is watermelon. You know these are fruits. But each fruit, it has some name. Okay, it has some name that is called as special name. So today our chapter is special name. What it is? They are having special names. These things are fruits. So we know these are fruits. But which fruit? This is watermelon. Okay, you have this name. You can say any fruit? No, you will say this is watermelon. This fruit you will say it is an apple. Good. Then this you can say it is this was an mango. Okay. Then this is an apple. Means each fruits having some name. Without name we can't identify. We can't say it as this is a mango, this is apple, this is mango. You can't say that. Okay. You will say for mango, mango only. You will say for apple, apple only. Why? Because they are having some name and we can identify them as a name. So this is a animal. You know this is animal, but which animal it is? Monkey, donkey, cow. Which it is, children? Yes, this is an cow. You can see this. It is an animal. Then vehicle. Now see, many vehicles are there. Okay, rickshaw, then bus, then scooter. Now you can see this vehicle. This is having, which it is, school bus. Okay, this is school bus, means it has some special name for this. Then this is what? It is a Suzuki, like a tempo. Okay, this is like a tempo. Means all these are having some special names. This is fish. We know this is animal, but which kind of animal it is? Fish. So I want to tell you that each and everything in this world, it has a name. Without name we can't identify anything. So for example, common name. Now these special names are of two types. Common names in these common names what will come? Common means anything common. Okay, common means boy, girl, books. Common, boy, girl, books, then vehicles. Okay, then things. In these things only it will come. Now see here, you can see here. First one we will see. Boy. Boy means what? Any boy. Now take for example, Ramesh is there. Ramesh, Rakesh, any boy. If I will point out, yes you boy, any boy will stand up. If I will say girl, any girl. If I am giving the name to the specific boy or specific girl, then it is called special name. But if I am taking a boy or girl, any girl, books, any books. Now here I am having two books. Okay, you can see here, these are books, these are things. When I will take, children, remove your books, you may remove all the books because teacher told you to remove the books. So you will remove. But if I say remove grammar textbook, then you will remove only grammar textbook. Okay, you will not remove the canopy textbook, because why? Because grammar textbook is having some name. Okay, it is having name. This is grammar textbook, this is canopy textbook. These both books are having names. Okay, these are called special names. Then you can see this. If I will say remove diary to write down homework, then you will remove only the school diary. You will not remove any CW, maths book, you will not remove, because why? I told only to remove diary, school diary to write down the homework. Means this diary is having a special name. Okay, understood? Now see here, books I told, vehicles are of many types. Okay, scooter, rickshaw, car, bus. But if I am giving some name, I came today by bus. This bus means special, you came by bus, that is a special name. So now we will see special name. Special names. Now what is this special names? See here now, you can see here, Ravi is a boy, he is playing with a ball. Then Sonu is a boy, he is flying a kite. You can see this picture. In this picture, what you can see, some boys are there in a garden and they are playing there in the garden. Now many boys are there. So Ravi is there, Sonu is there, then Gagan is there. Gagan is also a boy, he is on the swing. His dog Tommy is near him. You can see all boys. Now see here, boy. Ravi is a boy. Means what you can say? Boy is a common name for the above three persons in the picture. You can say that boy is a common name. But which boy? They have a special name also. The name for the first boy is Ravi. The special name for the second boy is Sonu. The special name of the third boy is Gagan. Means you can see each boy they have given some name. Okay, Ravi. Ravi is the first boy. Second boy is Sonu. Means these three boys are there. You can identify which boy is who. Now Ravi is a boy, then second boy is Sonu, and third is Gagan. From their names you can identify, yes, this is a name for this boy. This is a name for this boy. Means this is a special names. If I will say boys stand up, all boys will stand. But if I will say Ravi stand up, only Ravi will stand up, because I am calling him with a special name. He has got some special name so that we can identify. Okay. Then see here. Then other common names used in the above sentences for things are ball, kite and swing. Dog is the common name used for the animal. Then special names are given to places also. Delhi, Nagpur, Goa are special names for places. Now see here. You can see here in special name is Ravi, then Sneha. This is for person. If you will give for special names for places, it will be Delhi, Nagpur. Okay, in this way you can see these are the special names. It is special names is what? In short, the name given to a particular person, so that we can identify, yes, this is the girl, that is Sneha. In this way you can do special name. And this is a common name. Common means it is common only. Boy, girl, books, vehicles. Okay. Then see, pets are also called by special name. Pets are also having a special name. Tommy is the special name of the pet dog of Gagan. Days, months, festival, books, rivers and newspapers also have special names. Monday, June, Eid, the Bible, the Ganga and the Times of India are all, they are having special names. The things may also have special names. Cadbury chocolate. Now things are also having. Chocolate is thing. You know many types of chocolates are there. Cadbury chocolate, then Parle chocolate, then Chocobar chocolate, isn't it? All these kinds of chocolate. Then Colgate, toothpaste. Toothpaste, all will brush the teeth, no, everyday children? Yes, you should everyday brush the teeth. So, all will brush the teeth. Colgate is there, Miswak is there, then Pepsodent is there. So many names are there for toothpaste also. Then Barbie doll are also special. Dolls are there. Small doll, big doll. Okay. Some dolls are made of wooden. Then some are of plastic. For them different names are given. So we can identify that doll. This is of Barbie. This is of wooden. In this way you can identify. See here. Places and persons have special names. Pets also have special names. Some things may also have special names. Special names always begin with a capital letter. Now we have studied in previous topic also of sentences, statements. Whenever the sentence begins, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. In the same way, here also we can see that special names every time begin with a capital name. Places and person. Okay, places and persons have special names. Pets also have special names. Some things may also have special names. Just now we have seen the things, which things were there, like chocolate, Colgate, toothpaste. Okay, they are having dolls, they are having some special names. So read the sentences given here. Okay, come on, read with me. Sagar goes to the park every Monday. Now in this, what you can see, special name is Sagar and Monday. Then I like to eat tasty treat biscuits. Tasty treat biscuit is a special name. My dog Tiger has his birthday in July. Tiger, July. Delhi is a big city, Delhi. So, you can see the underlined words, they are all the special names. They have given special names. The words Monday, tasty treat, Tiger, July, Delhi are special names. Means Monday. Months, you can say, months means it is a common name. In these months they are January, February, January, February, March, April, May. These all the name of the months it is there. We call it as special names. Okay. Then days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are also special names. Then there's place Delhi, Nagpur, Kanpur, these are also a special name. So in short, what it is here, each and every thing in this world, whether it is person, it is thing, they have some special names which you can identify very easily with their names. As we have seen the examples, just now I shown you some fruits. Okay, these all are fruits, but they are having some special name like mango, apple, then watermelon. These fruits we have seen. Okay, then animal also we saw. This tiger, lion, there are animals. This is cow. Okay, in this way, vehicle we have seen. Vehicle also, school bus is there. Rickshaw, you will come to school by rickshaw, isn't it? Many of the students will come to school by rickshaw or school bus, or some parents, they will leave them on the two-wheeler vehicle, isn't it? These are different types of vehicles. So, in short, everyone has understood what is the special name and common name? Yes, good. Now see children, pick the naming words given in the box and write them in 2 columns for common names and special names. Remember, the letter of each special name begins with a capital letter. Now we want to see the special names and common names. So, see the exercise. Now see here, you can see here, table, Yamuna, city, man, Suresh, Kanpur, India, July, pin, Eid, fruit, book. Now these all are the names. They may be common names, they may be special names. Now tell me students, common names. First, from this table, which is the common name? Yes, think. Yes, come on, think. Okay. Yes, then it is a table. Common name is table. First word only. Okay. There are many tables. Okay. In office we use table. Then in classroom also you have table and chair. Your benches are there. Then Yamuna. Does it is common name or special name is given? Yes, it is special name. Yamuna. Then city, any city it may be, isn't it? Delhi, Kanpur. So city is common name. Then man also is common name. Man means any man. It is not given a special this man only, that man. It is given any man, it will come in common name. Then Suresh. Now Suresh, this is a name. One person is there, his name is Suresh. So he is having some identification. His name is identified by the name of Suresh. So it is a special name. And it also begins with a capital letter. Then Kanpur. Kanpur is also a place. Okay. It is a place. So that is also a special name. Then India. India is also, India is our country. And our country's name is what? Many countries are there. Australia, America, isn't it? India, Pakistan, so many countries are there. From this, India is our country and our country's name is India. That is also a special name. Then pin. It is a common name. Safety pin is there. Okay, pins are also of many types. Then Eid. Now see here, Eid. This is what? Festival. Now festival is common name, but from that festival if we take one only, Eid or Christmas or Diwali, Dasera, these are the names of a festival. Means these festivals each is having some name, that is called special name. So Eid is a special name. Then fruit. Suresh, Kanpur. Fruit. Okay, fruit, I had shown you fruit. Then what I told you, how the fruits, any fruits. Just now I have shown you fruit, that is any fruit. That mango, maybe apple, banana, pomegranate, many fruits are there, and all these fruits they are given some special name. We can identify them by special name. Kanpur. Book. Book is also a special name. Just now I had shown you 2-3 books. From these books I told you which are the special names are given for the book. This is grammar book, so it is a special name. Then month. July. July is also a special name. Month means January, February, March, April, in this way. These all names are the special names. So students, now come on, take down this and repeat after me now. Common names. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. City. C-I-T-Y. City. Man, M-A-N, man. Pin, P-I-N, pin. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Book, B-O-O-K, book. Yes, written everyone this side. Now special names. Yamuna, Y-A-M-U-N-A, Yamuna. Then Suresh, S-U-R-E-S-H, Suresh. Kanpur, K-A-N-P-U-R, Kanpur. India, I-N-D-I-A, India. Eid, E-I-D, Eid. July, J-U-L-Y, July. Okay, write down. I will give 2 minutes, write fast. Circle the special names in the sentences given below. Now from this you want special names. Okay. See here. First one, Radha is a good girl. Now good girl. Okay, good is common, girl is also common, anyone. But Radha, they have given some special name for Radha. So circle to Radha. Radha is a good girl. The next is Simla is on the hills. Simla. Circle it, come on, in your notebook, textbook also, children. Then Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu. Then Kitty is my pet cat. Then Yamuna flows through Delhi. All these are the special names, and you can see that each word is begin with a capital letter. Now repeat after me. Radha is a good girl. Simla is on the hills. Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu. Kitty is my pet cat. There is a cat and his name is Kitty. Yamuna flows through Delhi. Finish everyone? Do it, circle fast. Now, okay, we will go to the next. Now, circle the common names in the sentences given below. Okay, now you want to circle the common names. The boys are playing. Now, here 2 boys are there. You can see 2 boys are there. Okay, so they have not given any boy. This is Ravi or that is Ramesh. They have not given such type of name. They have just seen, they have just told that boys, means it is a common. Okay, boys is a common. The boys are common. Then school. My school has a garden. Many schools are there, isn't it? You know many schools are in Sholapur. Can you name them some schools? Yes, first school is our school, that is Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Then Little Flower School, Mahesh English Medium School, isn't it? These types of school. So here my school is a common name. Then the road is clean. Here the boys, then school, then I keep my books in the bag. All types of books, bag also, any bag, school bag, tiffin bag, isn't it like that? The road is clean. There are big trees on both sides of the road, trees. Now repeat after me. The boys are playing. My school has a garden. I keep my books in the bag. The road is clean. There are big trees on both sides of the road. Okay, circle it fast, children, come on. Okay, all of you children, whatever we have studied today, just go through that, learn it that, and learn it carefully. Okay, thank you.